We are drawing a gelada today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. So the gelada is an interesting critter. It's basically a baboon, or people call it a baboon, a bleeding heart baboon, or gelada baboon. And they have a heart-shaped chest protrusion, I guess you'd call it. And they, I kind of try to get it, not define it too much in the picture, but it worked out good. It's cute, and they're an interesting little critter. They're the only primates that eat grass. Over 90% of their diet consists of blades of grass, seeds, and roots. You'll notice I went pretty quick into the inking of it. I'm trying something a little different. I've got tons of videos out there of me drawing from the beginning, but from talking with friends, they like seeing the inking part more because it's more visible. You can see it. So I'm going to try this for the rest of this coloring book and see how that goes. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you want to see start to finish, or the beginning of the penciling and then straight into the inking. This way I can slow down the inking a little bit and not have the whole thing so fast. The mane on the male geladas, which I'm working on I was working on right then, it's pretty impressive. It's lion-like, especially when they're dominant. They're scruffy critters. The pictures of them, they're not the prettiest. I don't think they're as cute as I made them in the picture here. Their tails are a mess. I did the best I could in capturing their tail. The ends of their tails are just fluffy, wild, matted. It's crazy looking. But still, this guy looks like he'd be a pretty good little page to color. I don't know. I haven't decided any of the back pictures for this coloring book yet. If you want to see which ones I chose for the farm critters and ocean critters, you can take a look at those on Amazon. The link is in the description. And tell me what you think of those covers and the back cover. If you scroll down the page on the Amazon page, you'll see a lot more in depth of what's in each coloring book. Or you can go back to all the playlists I have on here, ocean critters and the farm critters around a farm, and take a look at some of the drawings I've done in the past. This is coloring book number 3 I'm working on right now, African critters. And give me let me know what you think about these, and like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and here's my final drawing popping up once I get this tree done. And yeah, he's pretty happy little guy. I really appreciate you joining in. Have a good day.